Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 30th of March 2023. So today I want to do a short video to discuss this Frontkn. I saw the possibility rebound for Frontkn on the chart. Okay, on the chart. So we want to dive in and understand a bit more about Frontkn, what is about the company background. Okay, how the chart look like and how are their fundamental position. Before we start, take a quick look at this introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so let's take a quick look at Frontkn. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment, support the channel. If you are first time watching my video, okay, do remember to hit the bell and hit the subscribe button. Every day I got do video, you can check out here. Okay, every day I got do video. We talk about the daily news, the global market, and also we analyze the chart, see whether there's any opportunity in the market. So every day I do a summary of the market, local market and global market. Of course, global market we only check out the indexes. Okay, local market we go through more detail on the hot news, chart analysis. Okay, and also of course we want to check out the top gainers, daily top gainers. We want to see what are the strong stock every day. Okay, so let's check out Frontkn. Okay, 24 years. So Frontkn already 24 years. So established in 1996. Okay, so we want to see now Frontkn got more than 1,100 employees. Okay, in 7 countries. Okay, in 7 countries. So let's check out a bit about what are their business. Okay, yeah. Okay, semiconductor and electronics. So they are doing maintenance, analysis service, and for companies in the semiconductor industry, with a keen focus on precision cleaning, refurbish, maintenance, and coating. So they are giving services to this semiconductor company. Okay, so they are not a manufacturer of semiconductor or semiconductor products. Not an OSAT or ATE company. Okay, so they are giving cleaning, refurbish services for all these semiconductor company. Okay, coating, all these things. Okay, because semiconductor manufacturing need a lot of this how do we call it? A well controlled product, right? Clean, clean environment, and the equipment have to be precise, all these things. So they are giving all this maintenance. Okay. So they also perform R&D, surface analytical service, and precision cleaning. Okay, they also have another engineering. Engineering, they provide support capabilities for engineering projects across various sectors. The capability range from manufacturing and maintenance at Frontkn facilities to on-site services for individual projects. Okay, a lot of those are oil and gas factory, all those. So they are providing all these services to them. Okay, so let's take a look at the okay, here you go, the director profile. Okay, Dr. Tay Kiang Ming is the executive director. Okay, chief scientist. Then we got chairman, Mr. Y Pin. Okay, and we got Ji Y, I think this one. Independent non-executive director. Got another non-executive, non-independent, non-executive director, Gerard Chew. We got independent non-executive director, Core. Okay, so basically this one, the chairman, okay, Bai Pin, is the one that, and the CEO, is the one that runs the company. Okay, so, okay, let's go through the fundamental on Frontkn 0128. Okay, so Frontkn, let's see the return on equity 22 ringgit. Okay, not bad. Okay, 22 ringgit is 22.29. Okay, quite good. Or PE value 39.73. So this stock is quite high now. Okay, earning per share is 7.80. Price to book value 8.86, so it's high. The price here is high. Okay, you have to know. Okay, market cap 4.89, 8.5 billion. So this is a 4 billion company. Okay, so let's check out. Okay, so Frontkn has grown to be quite a big company. Okay, cash 342 million, debt 52 million, debt to cash 0.154, debt to equity 0.097. Okay, so very good cash flow, so no debt problem. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the P&L, profit and loss. Okay, from 0 to 0.15 onwards. Okay, so every year consistent except 0.16, the business drop, the revenue drop. Other than that, every year has been growing. Okay, growing up to 2022. Let's say 2022. Okay, yeah, 2022. The whole year has been reported 2022. Okay, so revenue and profit is growing every year. Okay, profit and revenue is growing every year except revenue drop only on 2016. Okay, compared to previous year. So other than that, every year has been growing to 517 million to 123 million profit. Okay, so this company is well managed. You can see the progress of the P&L. Okay, let's see whether got any dividend. Okay, so dividend is okay, good every year. Okay, also got dividend up to financial year 2022. Okay, so 2022 dividend a bit lower. So let's check out the. Okay, basically, okay, this is looks like a well managed and low debt company. Okay, well managed, low debt and good prospect. Looking at the revenue. Every year they has been doing the revenue has been going up. Okay, so now I want to look at the chart. So why do I say, right? There's today I got post in Facebook lah. Okay, look at the chart. So 3.67. Sorry, now the current price is 3.1. Okay, 3 ringgit 10 cents. So potential, because we have a head and shoulder here. Okay, what do I see in the chart, right? So you see we got a head and shoulder here. Basically the neckline is around this. The neckline is this area. Okay, the neckline is this area. 2.9. Okay, so we measure up the target. Okay, for this neckline. Let me see. Should be here, around here. Okay, so the breakout of the neckline, the breakout of this neckline, right? Okay, the breakout is here, right? So the target should be around this here, 3.56. It tried to go up first time, it didn't make it. Okay, it came back down. Okay, it came back down, but still the price is still within this uptrend channel until it dropped below this channel. Okay, then probably the chance of it to continue up to this 3.56 area is gone. Okay, but as long as stay inside this channel, there is an opportunity. Okay, there is an opportunity that it will rebound here and eventually come back to this area. The semiconductor is not strong. The market is not strong. If market is strong, right? That's why I said during a weak market, okay, head and shoulder, the percentage, okay, for it to go up and hit target it's not so high as a normal. If a bull market, maybe you get 70% chances. Okay, when you get a head and shoulder, okay, you see a breakout, head and shoulder breakout. Okay, it rarely will come back down, and of course it will come back and retest one time. Okay, after breakout, it will normally come back retest. Then normally it will go up faster. Okay, then we see a lackluster market, right? So that's why this one is a bit slow in progress, but okay, today I saw a potential. We got red color momentum coming in. We got RSI finally it not unable to go through 50, finally managed to go above 50. Okay, go above 50 and okay, but the problem, the volume is not good enough. We have to see in the evening later tonight, okay, whether the volume got increased or not. Volume is not good enough, so it's not very strong yet, but okay, but just watch the potential. Okay, if we have more volume coming in, there is a possibility. Okay, means here, okay, if we can break through this area 3.13, okay, if we can push to 3.13 with a higher volume, then it should have a chance. Okay, but if we cannot, if we fall out of this, okay, if fall out of this channel, drop below 2.97, then probably you have to take note, you have to out, because even Hong Leong Bank give a target 3.2 is below. Okay, all depends on US Nasdaq. Okay, if you see Nasdaq, you see the US semiconductor US market, right? Okay, whether got improved or not. Okay, if US market improve, then there is a chance. Okay, if US market crash, then I think this one will come down. Okay, we break outside this channel, we break out of this. Okay, you break out of this and drop. Take note this is short term. Okay, play hit the target short term. Better don't hold this one long term, because this one is not the peak bottom. Okay, you have to see the fundamental, the price is price to book value is high. You know, PE value is quite high. So this company, okay, the current price is quite high. So we want to go for short term only, not like buy and keep for a few years. We want to pick bottom, pick a low price, then we keep for long term. This is my idea. Okay, so I'll talk to you again later. Bye bye.